हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, सलाम, केम छो, कसाय पब्लिक, जोहार और कैसन बाड़ा रवा लोग। वेलकम टू द sun-kissed shores of Goa, where heritage meets opulence at the Taj Fort Aguada Resort and Spa. Perched on a hilltop overlooking the Arabian Sea and built on the ramparts of the 17th century Portuguese fort, this luxury resort offers the perfect blend of history, tranquility, and modern indulgence. Let's take an in depth tour of this iconic property. As you step into Taj Fort Aguada, you are greeted with a refreshing welcome drink, a shell necklace, and the signature Taj warmth. The lobby, with its blend of colonial architecture and contemporary luxury, immediately sets the tone for your stay. The lobby is very thoughtfully designed, and you will get an aromatic experience every time you step in the lobby. The resort offers a variety of stay options, including garden view rooms, sea view rooms, cottages, and opulent villas. Each category is designed to provide a unique perspective of Goa's vibrant landscape and seascape. All rooms come equipped with premium amenities like plush bedding, high speed Wi Fi, minibar, and 24/7 room service. What truly stands out is the view. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves and sipping your morning coffee with overlooking the endless sea. For those seeking privacy, the villas offer a luxurious retreat with spacious living area, manicured lawns, and exclusive butler service. Whether you are here to relax or be active, Taj Fort Aguada has you covered. Take a dip in the stunning infinity pool with panoramic sea views, rejuvenate at the award winning Jiva Spa, or stay fit at the fully equipped gym. For in house guests, there is always an option of a private lounge where you can relax, feel special, take a rejuvenating spa, walk out to the core, or take a dip in the infinity pool area. Adventure seekers can indulge in a variety of water sports, including sailing, kayaking, and beach volleyball, all arranged by the resort concierge. Taj Fort Aguada is a gastronomic paradise. Latitude is the all day dining restaurant offering global and Goan cuisine in a vibrant setting. Morisco specializes in fresh seafood served right on the seafront, while SFX is the perfect spot for a sunset cocktail. Savor authentic Goan dishes like fish curry rice and crab zek, or enjoy Italian classic and international buffet. The culinary option here caters to every palate. Service at Taj Fort Aguada is truly exceptional. From the concierge to the housekeeping team, every staff member is trained to deliver an experience that is seamless, attentive, and genuinely caring. For foreign tourists, this resort might fall into their budget, but for Indian tourists, it might be a costly affair. The resort is surrounded by lush gardens and is adjacent to the historic Fort Aguada, offering a perfect blend of nature and heritage. Walk down to Candulum Beach for a sunset stroll or explore the nearby spice plantations for a taste of Goa's natural bounty. Whether you are seeking a romantic escape, a family holiday, or a serene retreat, Taj Fort Aguada Resort and Spa promises a world class experience wrapped in Goan charm. With its iconic location, luxurious accommodations, top tier amenities, and impeccable hospitality, this resort stands as a true jewel on the Goan coast. Thank you for joining me on this tour. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury travel insights. See you at the next destination. And yes, have no fear when Gappu is here. Bye bye.